1 in 500 Americans suffer from a heart defect known as hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, or HCM. This is known as the silent killer because there are very few tests to early detect this defect. Statistically speaking, at OSU alone, there are 52 students that suffer from this defect and may not even know it. A professor here has built a mechanical heart to early detect this defect and its effects.
You can see right here, since we cannot borrow a physical model or a real heart, we have an ideal condition. This is called a Wynn-Kessel model, and it represents a cardiovascular system in an idealized form.
The material in this research is made up of acrylic and plastic. However, silicone and PVC pipes is not what you usually see in the human cardiovascular system. According to McCullough, they use this material not to mimic the heart, but to mimic the flow of the cardiovascular system.
Our experiment, our research might be able to give us answers or diagnose a disease way before than in later stages. For example, if you want to treat cancer in level 1 of cancer, you can probably treat it faster. So right now, we're trying to find answers or patterns, how the flow is going to change. So we get an idea if and whenever a person is going to hypertrophic cardiomyopathy condition, we can find out it sooner so we can help them.
Finding answers sooner is even more relevant right here in Oklahoma.
In terms of heart failure, it's ranked one of the top states in the country, and so it seems more befitting to investigate this here. And so geographically it makes sense, but also I personally am motivated to work on this problem.
Dr. S's true motivation is seeing his work influence society.
In general, I think there's a lot of incentive to work on this because, again, there's not a whole lot of interface between what clinicians do in the bedside to what really the physiology underlying the disease condition is, because clinicians are usually very busy people and they don't have time to think about these sort of very complex issues that arise in the physiology.
This research isn't going to directly affect medicine soon, but is bringing us one step closer to understanding the human heart. For OState TV, I am Taylor McCarthy.